Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Shivanti. So today it's gonna be another makeup video, soft glam makeup. See, even coming up with the makeup look is easy, but then coming up with a name for it, that's why you have to listen to your parents when they say study well in your school and college, else you'll become like me. Today's look is gonna be super simple. I mean, most of my looks are super simple. I don't even use foundation in most of my videos. Even today, I'm not gonna be using any foundation. But then if you want, you can go ahead and use whatever you want. You can use your foundation, BB cream, CC cream, Birla wall care putty, paint, cement, whatever you want, you can use. The reason for why I don't apply foundation is not because my face looks flawless. No. Dark circles, scars, acne, pigmentation, you name it, I got it. Life is not fair. So the actual reason for why I do not use foundation is because I produce liters and liters of oil like it's nobody's business, and I hate the combination of oil, sweat, makeup. So I always like to keep it minimal. Before someone starts typing your talkative in the comment section, let's start the video. So I'm first going to prep my skin using these two products as usual. This is a Cosrx oil free moisturizing lotion, and this one's Eclat's eye cream. So same only. If you don't have a moisturizer, if you don't have an eye cream, use your moisturizer itself around your eyes. Like, take some extra moisturizer and apply it around your eyes. And then I'm going to use this primer. This is from Maybelline. It's their Matte Plus Poreless Primer. I love this product obviously because it helps in reducing the oiliness in my face. Just gonna take a little. On normal days and all, I produce up to 1.5 liters of oil, but then during summer days and all, I export to countries like Saudi Arabia. Yes, that's how much oil I produce. For concealer, I'm gonna use this today. This is from LA Girl. Like, usually I used to use this concealer. This one's from PAC. This is from PAC. I just love this concealer, but today I'm gonna use this because you people are seeing the same face, same irritating mouth, more or less same makeup also. So at least I have to change the products. No, that's why. Only thing which I hate about this concealer is this tip. I don't know. I feel it isn't convenient at all. Other than that, the product is a really good product. So as usual, I'm gonna use my hands to blend the product out. That's it. Simple. I'm also gonna use a brush. This is from Miniso as usual, and blend it again because I want it to be a bit seamless. I don't want the product to get settled between my wrinkles. Come closer. Do the same in the next eye also. A little bit around the corners of my mouth. And for compact powder, I'm going to use this. This one's from K Beauty. So I usually use the MAC compact powder, but whenever I use that, people ask for an affordable option. So you can use K Beauty, and I am in the shade 170Y. This is a good foundation. Take the slipper if I say foundation again. This is a very good compact powder. It also gives a sheer coverage, so it's really good. I'm going to use the same brush from Miniso to apply the compact powder around my eyes alone. For my face, I have a different brush, again from Miniso itself. Affordable options. Come closer. You'll see a trick. So this is the trick that I show in all my videos because this is the only trick that I know. See, come closer and see. Can you see the foundation has, the concealer has creasing in between my wrinkles, and also can you see it on top of my eyelids? I'm gonna call the police. You're gonna take a little bit of compact powder and
Yeah, just me?
It's gone. Yeah, that is the trick. Same thing you have to do on your lids also. See? Gone. Trick. Founder Shivanti. I'm just kidding, I can't even find my phone charger. Now I'll move the camera away because it is to see my face suddenly in close up. And for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use this brush. This is again from Miniso. Lip balm. And for eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyebrow cake from Miss Class. Again, this is a really good product. I just love it. Sorry, one more close up. It actually comes with 4 shades. I'm using the darkest one. How many of you got scared? Let me know in the comments. I know half of you are gonna unsubscribe me and the other half is gonna get confused, like what the hell is this? Is this a makeup channel or some kind of mental channel? If this is the first time you're watching my video, welcome to my channel, kids. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this. This is from Swiss Beauty and the palette number is 06. It looks stunning. I mean, look at the colors. So I was just looking forward to use this. I haven't even swatched it yet. I'm gonna take this shade right here. I always go for browns because that's more natural when compared to other colors. No depth dimension at all in this video. Just take the color and apply it in your crease, okay? Oh my god. Seriously, Swiss Beauty products are mind-blowing. Sorry, not just the crease. I'm also gonna apply it on my lid. So if you see all my videos, the base product will be more or less the same products, but then the eye look will be different, lipstick will be different, small things will differ. That's all about it. That is because, see, you can do so many different looks using the same set of products. That's what I'm here to show you guys. And all my looks will be really practical. I wouldn't be showing you guys these violet eyes, green eyes, blue eyes, all these things I'll do on Instagram. So in case if you're interested in that, you can follow me on my Instagram page. So yeah, this is how my eyes look. Whatever shade you apply on your lid, also apply it on your water lines. And then I'm gonna use this liquid eyeshadow. This is from Nika K Beauty. Yes, Nika K, New York. I've seen Anusha Swami apply this on her friend. Her friend will already be very beautiful even without any makeup, and Anusha Swami's makeup on her will be flawless. And on top of all that, I was so impressed by this particular product. Here, first the point itself, fail. Girl will be beautiful before makeup. Second, flawless makeup. Okay, 5 out of 10. And finally, we'll see how this product works. Can you see that? I take some in the brush. I've tried applying this once in my Instagram video, but I was using it with my brush, so it wasn't that intense. But then if you sit with your hands, no, look at that. Then I'm gonna line my eyes using this liner. This is from Lakme. I got this just a week ago. Yes, there is another Nykaa haul coming. Next week I'll post that. Oh my god, this is everything that I want a liner to be: matte, water resistant, perfect black, if there is something like that. And moreover, I just got this for 86 rupees. The original price is 100 and something, but then I got this on sale for 86 rupees. I think I have to stop now, else I won't have anything to say next week in the haul video. Then I'll talk something random, how much sugar I add in my milk, how my father's snore wakes me up in the middle of the night, everything, all sorts of nonsense. From now onwards, I'm not gonna talk anything irrelevant in my videos. 2 minutes over. Ever since I showed you guys this product in one of my Nykaa haul, so many of you have been asking how this product actually works, and by so many of you I mean just 2 of you. Yes, I exaggerate. In general, I do not contour or bronze. This is for you guys. If it isn't for you, I wouldn't have ordered this at all. Now I don't know how to open this. One of you said that this didn't show up on your skin. It didn't show up on my skin either. For blush, I'm going to use this. This is from K Beauty. The shade name is Soft Nude. It looks like this. Then I'm going to use a mascara. This is from Maybelline. It is the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Only when I use this mascara, I can find that there is something called lashes in my face. It's so good. Like, you can close your eyes and get this mascara. How can I close my eyes and do the payment, Shivanti? Ha ha ha. No. Those kind of mocha comments are not welcome. So please don't. For highlighter, I've chosen this liquid highlighter from Nykaa. It is really subtle, okay? I mean, it gives a subtle glow. It's empty. Just taking a little bit in my hands and I'm like... See? For lipstick, I'm going to use this lip crayon from Mars. The shade name is I Am Powerful. I used this in one of my previous videos and so many of you asked what lip shade it is. So this is it. This is how it looks in normal room light. So yeah, that's it guys. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging on till the end. Hope you guys found this useful. Yes, in case if you did, please like, share and subscribe. That's it. Ta-ta.